Triple Bristle Duo 2 Sonic Toothbrushes with Dual Charging Station Patented 3-Head Design 31,000 VPM Electric Toothbrush Set for adults, families, and couples. Triple Bristle Duo. Triple Bristle Duo, a rechargeable sonic toothbrush pair, has a patented 3-sided brush head and was created with 2 in mind. The Triple Bristle Duo was scientifically designed with 31,000 sonic stroke vibrations per minute to give your teeth the best possible clean in 1/3 the time of an ordinary sonic toothbrush. Reduces levels of plaque, gum soreness and bleeding. The easy-to-use 3-bristle head is perfectly angled to get in those hard-to-reach places. This innovative design has 3 cleaning modes: high clean, soft gentle, and massage that will help remove stains and bacteria while promoting a white plaque-free smile and fresh breath. Rechargeable battery. Keep your triple bristle toothbrush charged with the dual plug-in charging station. Great for couples, best friends or family. The handle is equipped with a charging indicator light that will help you keep your toothbrush charged. Swap out the brush head with the Triple Bristle Blue or Pink replacement pack when the blue indicator bristles fade to white. Dentist created and dentist approved. Our unique brush design is revolutionizing the way we clean teeth and is recommended by dentists across the United States. With 4 years of testing and designing, we have created a toothbrush that makes oral care easier, faster, and more effective than the leading brand. Every Triple Bristle Duo comes with a 1-year warranty. A toothbrush for everyone. The slim easy grip handle and quick, yet effective brush head was made for everyone. Maybe brushing has become harder due to arthritis or swollen hands. Triple Bristle can speed up the process and make brushing more comfortable. Maybe you're a caregiver and you need help providing the best oral care. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.